A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some barbecue chicken mac and cheese, but instead of chicken, we're going to use barbecue pork because that's all I could find. So go ahead and you're going to make a, lost my train of thought. Go ahead and cook 8 ounces of pasta shells. I'm going to use some pasta shells. I'm also going to just a little bit of elbows because I didn't have quite enough. So I've already made those. I've already got those drained. You do need to reserve 1 cup of pasta water. And now we're just going to throw together real quick cheese sauce. Just put your 1 cup of pasta water back in the pan. And we're going to add a cup of milk. Okay, so cup of milk and 1 cup of pasta water. Okay. Now, you're going to put this on low heat. Let me get a whisk. I'll whisk that together. 1 cup pasta water, 1 cup of milk. I'm letting this warm up just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna put our pasta back in here. We need 8 ounces of cheese. I'm just going to do, I'm sorry, not 8 ounces, 10 ounces. I'm just going to do about, I don't know, 2 handfuls. To me is about 2 cups worth. I'm probably going to have to put a little bit more because that's only 8 ounces. And we need 10. Now, this is going to go in the oven, but we're only going to bake it for a short time. I'm going to put some more in here. I need another 2 ounces, so I need about 2.5 cups worth of cheddar is what I'm using, but you can use any kind of cheese blend that you prefer. It's fine. I'm going to use cheddar. And we're just trying to make this a cheesy sauce. Oops. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to stir this a little bit more and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So you're going to have basically a cheesy, milky, saucy kind of situation. You're going to pour it into a 9x13 greased pan. I bought me some more of this pulled pork. There's already a barbecue sauce that Walmart has. You can get any brand. This is about 1 pound. And what you're going to do, I went ahead and heated it up just a little bit. But it was because I wanted to kind of separate any big chunks. And so I'm going to pour that in here. You're going to put it in the oven so it doesn't really, it's cooked. It comes cooked already. It's just, you're going to stick it in there. My oven's already preheated to 400 degrees because I'm cooking some other things. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your barbecue and you're just going to stir it in. And I hate that I don't have more because I would like more meat in this. But it'll be fine. Big chunks. But we've had it before. It's really good. I actually like this one better than Lloyd's or any of those other brands. All right, so if you have plain pulled pork that you want to put in this, that's fine too. You're just going to drizzle just a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce over top of that. But I went ahead and got prepared meat with sauce, so I didn't have to worry about it. And then you're going to take, let me get that off there, a few more ounces of cheese, stick that on the top. I feel like this is enough cheese, so I'm just going to kind of be sparing with it. You need another 2 ounces on top, but I didn't want to do too much. So, after you top it with some cheese and drizzle with barbecue sauce, if you didn't already have it on here, and that's optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can use plain pork, but then it'll just be, or chicken, pork or chicken mac and cheese. Bake it for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and it's bubbly, and then you're done. That's all you have to do. That's simple. When I take it out, I'll show you the finished products. See you in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is finished product. It did perfect. I think that it's better with the cheddar cheese instead of any other blend or anything. So if you do try something else, I would try something with a cheddar blend, a cheddar in the blend, if I can get that out right. Because cheddar and barbecue go together really well. And this took no time at all. Very few ingredients, 5 or 6 ingredients, and we're ready for dinner. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a recipe that's pretty easy. We're just going to make the dressing for the recipe. We're going to have fried chicken sandwiches and some waffle fries, and I am going to go ahead and get that oven preheated, or for our air fryer. But first we're going to make a honey mustard dressing to go on the sandwich. So pretty simple. I bought some little chicken fillets. Banquet makes some now, and they're pretty large. Let me show you. I'll just take one off the pan and show you. So they look like this. So not just any old chicken sandwich. They're a little bit more to them. So I've already put those in the oven. Those are done. They're set aside. And right now I'm going to work on this dressing. So you're going to need half a cup of mayonnaise. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. So 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. A tablespoon of honey. You know what? Let's just take this off and put it in there. It'll be easier. Tablespoon of honey. Okay. Alright. Now, for these herbs and spices. So you're going to need about 1/4 of a teaspoon of dry oregano. And I'm going to kind of break it up a little bit before I put it in there. Let's do a pinch more. Little tiny pinch. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of paprika. And you can put a pinch of cayenne pepper in it if you want to. I'm going to leave it out. And I'm going to put some pepper. And I've got some sea salt here because I ran out of kosher. And we're just going to put just a little bit of it in here. Just a little bit. 1/4 to a half a teaspoon. Alright, we're going to stir all this up. And this is going to be our honey mustard dressing to go on our, let me get my little whisk, my baby whisk, to go on our sandwiches. Now you can also add some fresh chives to this and some flat leaf parsley that you chopped real fine. But I'm going to leave it the way it is. I may even put a little bit of this on a salad. Okay, some honey mustard dressing for our chicken sandwich. And as soon as I get those fries ready, I will show you what it looks like all plated up. I'll be back in a few. Okay, y'all, so this was the sandwich I was talking about. I got these Sara Lee artesian buns that are Hawaiian roll. Let me show you those. They look like this. So we're just gonna try those. We had to have a special little roll for our chicken sandwich. And I sliced up some red onion, tomato, lettuce, and we got some waffle fries here. So I'm just going to take my dressing that I made and add to it. And you can also add cheese. I mean, it's not a big deal at all. Probably what I would do is get one of the sliced cheddar or something like that to put on it. But perfect little meal, lunch or dinner. But we're going to have it for dinner tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.